guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas week 2. I am in a rush, so I can't sit and talk too much. I have to literally go. This is the outfit for today. They're Nike sweatpants, a bralette, and this sweater thing because it's not cold outside like at all. And I think the fragrance of the day is gonna be the MCM. It's super cute, citrusy, but not too citrusy. I honestly got it for the packaging, but the scent smells really good as well. I gotta go, so I'll see you guys when I'm at work. Hey guys, so I am currently at work. Let me tell you how crazy my life just was. I was at work. First I left my tripod, so now I have to hold it, but I was on my way to drop my son off and my car started like acting crazy, and I called my brother and he's just like, it could be this, it could be that. And so he said one of it could have been the air filter. And so I'm like, I remember I went to Jiffy Lube and the guy was just like, hey, your air filter is really dirty. And I was like, that's fine, I'll just open the windows, like I have to go. So yeah, that wasn't very smart because now my car is at my mom's house. So I am back home. I finished with my makeup client. I just filmed a makeup tutorial on this look. That's the sound of my food being done in the microwave. My son is taking his little nap, which is fine. He's so cute. He's taking his nap and I just made some FUFU. If you're Ghanaian, I eat FUFU with spinach stew. I don't know if any other Ghanaian does this, but I do. And it tastes good. It's kind of like fufu and egusi, but I don't like the taste of egusi. And so I'm eating it with spinach. If you haven't tried it, don't knock it. If you have tried egusi and you don't like egusi, I would try it with spinach stew. And I make my spinach stew a little soupy, so it kind of like, my brother hates that I do this, but I like it. And I'm gonna eat it with my hands because for some reason it tastes better. But I'm gonna eat it with my hands, but with gloves, okay? I have class. I'm just kidding. My mom taught us when we were younger to eat with our hands. It's in our culture, but I wear a lot of rings, my nails are done, and I don't feel like going through all of that. I wear gloves, so I could just take the gloves off, and there's no food in my nails because I keep my nails pretty long. It is getting 6th season, and so I like to like add cayenne pepper a lot and ginger. It's not warm enough. I was gonna eat in this because this is what I warmed my fufu in. Since I'm vlogging, I might as well like make it cute for you guys. I don't know, I got this bowl from IKEA. Like, do you guys care? I'm not about to waste dishes. I'm not about to waste dishes. Ooh, and I got my sparkling water. If you don't drink sparkling water, that's okay, but try it. It's really good. I like the bubbly, anything that has lemon or strawberry. Sparkling water is really nice. They had like a key lime pie, which was really good, and my mom drank all of it. They had mojito, and I don't like the mojito one, but I do like bubbly or buble. It's really good. I like the strawberry sunset. But let's go ahead and eat. Looks like in this bowl. Hey, handsome.
You gotta eat or something.
I know. I was literally, listen, I literally was just like, I don't know if I should be cute because like I don't want to waste dishes.
Hey, next time it's raining, you can go ahead and use this.
No, we would never. We're not eagles. Here, give me his. Hi. You're so cute. Thank you, babes. I put it in a better bowl because some people wanted to complain. And so I put it in this bowl, this little plastic bowl. It's not even mine. It's my brother's bowl or my mom's. Something like that. Yeah. This is definitely comfort food. I don't think I showed you guys my Christmas tree. So this is my Christmas tree. I pretty much did a pre-lit, pre-flocked tree. I think it's 6.5 feet tall, and my place is very like cream and white and things like that. If I have any pictures, they're in black and white. I don't have any pictures in color because I don't want the color to clash with my furniture. I don't know, I'm just like OCD when it comes to that. Got everything from Walmart and some things from the dollar store. So I got a pre-lit, pre-flocked tree and these gold and white and champagne ornaments. My niece stuck this in there and they wanted to keep it in there, so I'm just keeping it in there. I got these big ornaments as well. I feel like once you have big ornaments and a pre-flocked tree, and these, you don't have to put a lot of ornaments on your tree. I don't have any gifts under there because I have a nosy toddler. I think I'm gonna go on theme with getting like all of my wrapping paper to match my apartment. I just feel like when things match, the place looks bigger, it looks cleaner, and so when there's a lot going on, it just looks, it's too much for me. So everything has to be like a solid color. Even in my bedroom, like I don't like any color in my bedroom. Now my son's room is fun. He has like all kinds of cool things. Pretty much a snippet of his room has a bunch of Marvel things on there too. So and this is where you will find most of the color. I'm not about to put a bunch of color in my room. I just can't. The last time you guys saw me, it was yesterday. Since then I've been really sick, and I think I'm coming down with a cold. A lot of clients this weekend, and so I'm gonna make myself some chicken and noodle soup from scratch to make myself feel better. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my chicken noodle soup. I don't have the energy, but we're here and we're invested in vlogging. I have chicken thighs because I feel like chicken thighs taste better. And then I have some celery. I'm going to cut up some celery, carrots, and onions. And then I'm going to season my chicken with some Cajun seasoning and just season it to how I personally like, and roasted it in my air fryer. Cooked my chicken and seasoned it, and now I'm going to put a little bit of oil and then air fry it. I ordered some Instacart, so until my Instacart gets here, I can't really cook anything anymore. I am at work and I had my first client. I literally was rushing, wasn't feeling too good, but I'm at work. I feel a lot better than I did yesterday. I was just drinking a bunch of Theraflu and I made my chicken noodle soup, which I brought some to work today. This is the outfit today. And now I have to go back to work. This is so good.
Stole my watch. Yeah.
Well, where is he?
One ahead of us.
This is the shop right here, and you're welcome to go.
Oh, hot chocolate.
Oh, are you?
Say, dude, I was just like, I could just imagine somebody be like, this tastes great.
Yeah.
A couple double A's.
There's also the cookie bear. The cookie bear.
Thank you.
I'm definitely
Cookie
getting
bear.
I'm gonna get.
Cookie Bear is really good.
I'm getting a cookie.
Dude, I love it. Y'all got liquor?
So I have one Cookie Bear. Are we doing, I don't know what the transactions are going to be.
One cookie bear. Man, I'll do one
Where's
campfire delight.
Okay.
Just so we can try both.
Thank you. Thank you. You'll have both out in just a second. Feel free. I have my Facebook.
Dude, I was about to be like,
No, he said he thought.
You don't want a cookie? Okay. Alrighty, just the one?
Campfire Delight?
Yeah.
Okay. $8.48. Tap.
This one is the chocolate pistachio. I've got peanut butter, and this is the Biscoff cookie.
How much is the Biscoff one?
$6. I think that might be the last one.
Yeah, can we get the Biscoff one?
Yeah.
Here, babe. Biscoff. Let me go to the next person because they're closing. Hello. I wanted to... Okay. I'm buying one thing from each place.
Okay.
Cookies and cream mini cake. Do you have anything that's vegan?
No.
Not for me. My brother.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Damn it. Ooh. Did you want one of these? They're so cute.
And
Which one did you want? Babe, he wants this one. Thanks, babe. I love being a girl.
It's literally.
There we go.
Bud.
Pumpkin. These are little cute little Legos.
I got 1,000 white hands, 1,000 yellow hands. So like, just doing that much time.
Your boy from
No, that's that is my hero.
This is so pretty.
If I find stuff, I keep those, man. Oh yeah.
Let it go, Amar.
Let it go. Yeah. I had the daily bugle.
I'm trying to have a surprise birthday dinner for my brother. All that she wants in a baby. She's gone. We're at my sister's house and it's hard to vlog because everyone's talking and probably complaining. But the Christmas market was fun. It was just really, really cold. I got one thing from different places. I feel so bad because my brother looks so sad. My mom looking all cute. Look at her. Look at her dress. Her dress. Watching Nigerian movies. This is kind of like a gumbo. It's nice and slimy. It's really good though. Is there smoked turkey in this? We're at Tuni Paella. It's a restaurant that is close to
You're doing it.
the donut shop. And the menu looks really interesting. I think it's based off of like,
They were really polite and cool.
it's like Spanish cuisine.
Yeah, they were really happy. They were like, wow, that was awesome.
It's definitely Spanish
They
cuisine.
got out quick. Yeah,
My mom is over there dressed like it's her birthday.
And I was just like, it's really quiet.
So far, this food is really good. Really good. Really good. Right now, I'm eating my Caesar salad, but my entree hasn't even come yet. The tomato sauce is to die for. Everything is just really, really good.
That they were going to
Like,
be released in around the 16.
10 out of 10.
But they got
10 out of 10 authentic food.
in the